Hi everyone, welcome to the Entrepreneur Collective. People have been asking how to RSVP for the ladies meeting on Tuesday. Number one, if you want to come for your 2 free visits, which means it won't cost you $50 to drop in, then all you're going to do is log in with your Facebook profile, or you can use your username and email. I highly recommend downloading the app, as you can just leave it open on and then you won't have to log in for future events. You can just leave it logged in on your phone. If you want to join the ladies meeting, I would recommend actually logging in on your computer, and unlike Facebook, you can just leave that page open and you're going to be working on your business, so you don't need to feel guilty about networking within that collective as well. Plus, if you're talking to a potential customer that you met at the ladies meeting, they're not going to be dogged by advertisements from other people who are your competitors, which is kind of cool. There'll only be other members that are in the group. So first of all, you're going to make sure you create a profile. We have over 80 members now. For example, Kathy White, who's a member. If you want to go see more about her, you'll go see her profile. You can see that she's got her Facebook and her LinkedIn here. You can add your website. You can see her location, which is kind of cool. If you want to find out if people are near you, then you can just put near you, which I'm in downtown Vancouver right now. So you can see people that are close by. You can see people that are new, and you can see who the top people who engage are as well, which is kind of cool. Like that a lot. So you're going to see that you can slide up and down here. You can see that you can actually also join other Mighty networks. I, for example, am in Mighty Hosts, which is people who are learning how to use the Mighty network, as well as a course that I'm taking with Magic Media, which is kind of cool. So the homepage here, there's a feed here. So if you want to do a post, you can add a post, you can ask a question, and this little button here will bring up a quick post, and then you can post to the Entrepreneur Collective, or if you're in other groups. So for example, I run YVR Masterminds on Tuesday mornings. The day of the ladies meeting, we meet for lunch, for breakfast, and we do business mastermind there as well. So if you're interested in that, give me a shout. You can connect with me on you can send me a note through here. You're welcome to call me at 778-549-6801. But here you can see all the different groups as well that I could post to, which is kind of cool. So I'm not going to post right now. You can go and read the other posts in the main feed. So other things, there's a meditation item, for example. Kathy's posted an event that she did this month in Whistler with a community group that she works with. Maggie sent me some notes. Our January meeting is listed. Debbie made an announcement that she's coming. So in the top left-hand corner, you can't see my finger, obviously. I'm going to tap back onto the menu. You can do discovery members. If you want to search a topic, you'll see we have Build the Network as a topic, which is our general daily posts, questions about members, different courses, public speaking, our mastermind group. So if you're in one of those groups, then it sorts everything out for you, which is really cool. Events, which is why I'm here, but also here's the different groups that we have. You can join the ladies meeting to get your free visit. So you actually get 2 free months of the ladies meeting when you sign in through the app. You can choose to sign in on your computer as well. It looks very similar. It's actually a little bit less expensive if you do it through your computer, because then the ISO app is not taking this little chunk of money. Same with YVR Masterminds. You can sign in monthly, or you can pay in for the year as well. So if you're interested in YVR Masterminds and working on your business and creating more success with other people to help you hold accountable, as well as a monthly coaching call, you can sign up there. Our founding members who have been with the ladies meeting for over 3 years are all invited to become a member of our private group there. Everyone who joins the Entrepreneur Collective can post their shingle in the marketplace and let us know what you're selling, and if you have any promotions. We have a speakers club. Everyone who is a speaker at the ladies meeting, for example, gets a free hour of coaching with Gina Best and some free downloads there that help you be prepared to come and show up at an event as the speaker. So lots of extra training. The ladies meeting, that's the ones posted at the top, so you can join us there, either pay annually or monthly. We have a sanctuary space, which is open to everyone in the paid group, because we've all, as entrepreneurs, we have a lot of really great connections in our network, and sometimes people pass away, so it's a great sacred space to go and hang out with. If you are interested in leading a book in book club, you can do that. First Aid is a group that I started because I'm going to be volunteering with Terrence Costellar this summer, and he runs a PTSD camp, and it's just been brought to my attention how aware we need to be of people who have wounds that you cannot see. So if you have something to add in there, or you want to be a member, you can just go in and join. We have a publishing group for Amazon, so people who have either been on Amazon or looking to become published on Amazon, you can join there. For anyone who's looking to learn about Zoho CRM, and then also Coffee House Network, Miracle Morning, and Jane Theory. So those are some of the groups that you can join. As well, when you join the groups, you also get access to some of our classes, like Pitchmaster Speaker Training, Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, my course, Understanding Your Motivational Blocks, which is going to become, big announcement here, Design Your Beautiful Life and Build Your Epic Empire. That's what that will turn into, and it'll also become a conference. How to Network Like You Mean It, Design Your Beautiful Life Part 1 is already available for free as well, so you can sign in there and get a head start with the workbook and your one-page business plan and LinkedIn training. Social media training will come soon. So you're watching this video so that you can learn to RSVP. So first of all, before you RSVP, make sure your personal settings are all set up. Make sure your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your networking options there are open, so people, when they come to the meeting, can excuse my voice, can get to know you before they come, and you have a warm lead before you even show up to the event. So all you have to do is click into events, find the event you want to go to. So any of the groups that you are in, you'll have events. As a member of the ladies meeting, if you are having a monthly event, you'll be able to post to this as well. And then all you have to do is click going. Click on the little dots, the little 3 dots on the side, on the left-hand side. You can click on there. And if you just double click on the event, hold on, how do I get in there? Just double click on the event, and then you'll actually be able to get to the details. So there's the date, January 28th, the Sylvia Hotel. You can show up, and there is some free parking underneath. I do recommend coming by transit or carpooling. Our speaker this month is Robin Wyman. You can see she's highlighted in blue, so she is actually a member as well. So all of our speakers at the ladies meeting must be members or sponsors, and blue means that it's clickable, and you can go find out more about her and find out if she's got her Facebook and LinkedIn all set up. And then there's a little bit about the event. We are the details. If you just want to drop in and you don't want to do any of the social media, and you don't want to become a member or take up get the 2 free tickets that you get with becoming a member, then it's $50 at the door. And also members also do get to bring guests. You do pay for your own food and drink at the Sylvia Hotel. They include the gratuity because it is a group event, and they shut down the bistro for us, so really good information. And if you're interested to find out more about our inner circle, my inner circle that meets and we do business coaching, you can go back in and go into groups and look at YVR Masterminds. And then also, if you want to find out more about the launch with Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi that's coming on the last week of February, then click on yvrmasterminds.com and you can sign up there for the free. They actually have a free training, and then we're going to be doing live streaming at the end of February, which is really exciting. But sign up there to find out more. If you are a coach or a leader and you want to know more about leading a group well and to become a great mastermind leader, and want to really encourage people to keep learning outside the box and growing their business and building great networks, they have so many amazing tools that they've made available to me through the training that I've done with them, and I highly recommend it. These guys have got the hacks for everything, and they're sharing it all. 60 years of experience between the two of them. I don't think there's very many who haven't heard of Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. Amazing training, highly recommend it. So anyway, this is the end of this recording. It's a whole 7 minutes. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you really enjoy this new app that we have, this mighty network that will, whoops.